The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.